Hi Kuya Carl, Merry Christmas, and hopefully you will come here and remember me and recognize me, and
Still recognize you.
Yes. And then
Kirsten.
Kirsten, Tira, Tita Ricky,
Tia Nay.
and if you
They miss
remember,
you as
if
well.
We miss you. If you still remember Moen Zuniga, your neighbor, when you lived at
Goodwill.
Goodwill too.
Yes.
And Moses, quiet.
No, it's okay. Don't fight. It's okay, Mos.
Moses.
It's okay. Continue. Come on, Noah. It's okay.
He
Oh.
sat beside me.
Mm.
He sat beside me in the cinema to watch Star Wars, and then at the scary part, I screamed, and then Moen said that I scared him more with the scream, with my scream.
He was scared.
Yeah.
Moses, you say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Tita Nay. Tito Ricky, come here. Dito ka. Dito ka, dali. Come here. Naku. Oh, that's it? You say, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and may the Force be with you.
Yay!
And then may the big Force with you. I wish you brought your lightsaber.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you soon.